Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. I hope y'all are all doing well today. I am doing fantastic. I wanted to do a quick craft with me. This won't take long, but it's super easy. If you don't know, I am a very instant gratification type crafter. It's got to go pretty quick for me to enjoy doing it. If there's a lot of steps to it, I'm usually not your girl to come and watch tutorials, because I'm not gonna I'm not gonna make a tutorial that's very difficult. Thank you guys for all being here. If you're new to my channel, just know that I'm fairly new to the world of paper crafting in general, but junk journaling altogether has been a godsend for me. I started in October of 22, and I am having a blast learning all of this stuff. It's just an incredible experience, honestly. Today, I'm gonna get right into it. Today, we're gonna take these small tags. Now, these I get from the Dollar Tree. You can get them from Amazon. I'll see if I can find a link to give you an Amazon link, but honestly, I just get them at the Dollar Tree. They come, I think, 50 in a pack. If I remember, I don't have the original pack because I've already gone through 2 packs of these I've been mass making them. I've had so much fun. But you can see they're 2 inches long, and they're about 1.5 inch wide. They're very small, but they're perfect if you wanted to, let's say, let me grab my planner real quick and I'll show you. Give you an example. Here's my planner I made out of a Reader's Digest. But if you wanted to just make them as a tag for your page, or even up here, they're a great embellishment. They're really just a quick and simple and fun way to embellish. And you can actually hang them from, watch, I'm going to try not to reach through the camera, but you can hang them when you're finished from a gourd pin like this. I'll show you some finished ones real quick. Let me show you some of the ones that I've done. These are all made with these tags and washi tape. That's all this is, guys. See how sweet? Just real quick. And these little stickers right here, these were out of a Happy Planner. Not this one, but it was like this. A Happy Planner sticker book. Yeah. Yeah, look. That's all from Happy Planner, all of those. These are just some more small stickers that I had, that I really couldn't use, and just a little embellishment. Just a little quick embellishment. So I thought what we would do today, I was kind of looking at my different, you'll see I've got my little washi set up here. This is, of course, not all my washi, but it is some of them. And I was thinking, I love these groovy ones right here. I think these are so groovy. I got these 3 from the Dollar Tree. I have not seen, and this is a long time ago. I haven't seen them in a while, but man, I would love to do something with them, but I don't think I have the right embellishments to go with them. This one is, I love this one. Love, 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 love that one. This and this may go together. I don't know. Maybe this and this. We could do 3, I guess. I suppose we could. I don't know. I don't know if I like that flower with that. Okay, let's start somewhere else. I got the Easter ones out. Can you believe we're already in February, right? Go figure. Or I could stay safe with some gold. I could do the gold. Yeah. This is the process that takes the longest, isn't it, guys? Is the, picking out the design process is picking out all the coloring and what you want to accomplish. I think we will. See, the thing about it is, I think these are all wide. I want a thinner one to go with it. So maybe what we do is like this. Let's try something real quick. let's just try something. So all I do, honestly, is just lay these flat. Probably take me longer to get the tape going than anything. Let's see. I hope y'all have had a good weekend. I know I have. I really have had a good weekend. It's been productive, and the weather was yucky, no doubt about it. But with that being said, there's nothing like a rainy day to reset and recharge, I think. I don't mind the rainy days. Now, I don't want to have them all the time, of course, but rainy day every now and again is not necessarily a bad thing. Let's see if we can, we can fake not having that quite so wide. And then it looks like, let's try this. See, y'all, I've had this washi tape for a long, long time. I'm surprised it's still sticky, to be honest with you. I bet, it's well over a year old. I know it is. Okay, let's try this. Oh, I'm going to cover up, see, I'm going to cover up that gold if I do that, but that's okay. Let's just cover it up, and then what I'm going to do is I'll fix it on this side. How about this? Yeah, we'll just fix it like that. And then all I do, wow. Oh, okay, so I'm going to tell you. I knew sometimes this gold, I noticed that the glitter washies and the gold washies, they are not as sticky. I don't know why that is. Somebody, if y'all know, comment down below and let me know. You know, I didn't even know washi existed until I started junk journaling. Oh, see, look, I just bought this cardboard background too, and I already messed it up. I messed it up yesterday. I had it one day, and I messed it up. Let's just take this. We're gonna do this. I think I like the contrasting colors better because I had the dark polka dots. I think I like that better, but that is cute. There's nothing wrong with that. I think that's adorable. So we'll go ahead. I like to make them, I don't know why I did this, but I like to make them in sets of 5. So we'll go ahead and make, and they don't all have to be the same, no. Let's go ahead and start with this. And I should have known that was going to peel up that cardboard, yeah. I'm so crazy sometimes. Let's go ahead and go up a little bit. Just make it look like it's thinner than it is. And we will do the Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Let's go ahead. Oh, we'll go down with this one. Cut off that Easter a little bit. And then, again, I'll just add a little art glitter glue just to secure that. Just to secure this. Yeah. And then again, we'll just, oops. We'll just pick that up. And that is not going to stay. Well, I didn't let it dry, probably. Let's try and cut around this. I think the weather around the country, you know, we were talking about the weather so much last week because it was so bad, and everybody, or 2 weeks ago, it was so cold everywhere that it's typically not that cold. And then even the cold places were getting blizzards and all the snow. And now I think parts of the country are like warmer than usual. Isn't that crazy how the weather works? I personally, oh, Lord, I'm probably going to be all controversial, but I personally think weather has always done this. I just think that we live in a world now that news is instantaneous, where back in the day, news was not instantaneous. So we all just are kind of, we're weather aware. We're, it's at our fingertips now. So it's just different. But I do believe, let's try the bunnies. Yeah. Oh, those are cute. Let's try the bunnies. Yeah. Oh, those are fresh. Oh, I should have been doing that already. Lordy. Let's go this way. Maybe we'll just do 3 on this one and the next couple of ones. But I think you get the idea, right? I mean, it's not, it's just a quick, easy craft, I think. But again, it's just real quick, instant gratification. And it complements a page so much when either you glue it on to the end or the top of a page, or you put it on a gourd pin, or even if you wanted to, I guess you could glue it to a fabric cluster, like as a focal point. Oh, I haven't tried that. I'm going to try that maybe. Yeah, because my next project that I'm going to be working on is I'm going to be working with my fabrics. And if y'all don't know, look how cute this is. And then I'll just put whatever. You could also put ribbon if you wanted. Yeah, if y'all don't know, I am like a fabric fanatic. I don't know why, because I don't sew. Like, I'm not a seamstress by, oh my God. Not even by any stretch am I a seamstress or would ever be considered a seamstress. And if you don't know, everything I touch or everything I try to lay down or cut is crooked. So the fact that I can do these semi-straight is a miracle in and of itself. So just keep that in mind. Anybody, I really believe that anybody can do these. Yeah, I do. I truly do. I'm going to go down with that. And then I'm going to go back and do a gold right here. I have ruined, I can't believe I just bought that card, that poster board, and have already ruined it. That is so aggravating. But you know what? If that is all I have to be aggravated with this weekend, then I'm going to call it a good weekend. Huh? Yeah, for real. That is... I'm blessed if that's the only aggravation I have this weekend. Lordy. I think my honey's going to cook us some steaks. I know, right? We rarely eat that anymore because it's so expensive. But I actually found them on sale, so I was able to get a pretty good deal. But again, it's just some steaks, and then we also meal prep, like always meal prep on Sundays. So I'm going to go in and, yeah, I'm not, like, I have some, I know this is going to sound kind of weird, but I do have some stuffing, and I'm kind of in the mood for it. You know what I mean? Like, I like stuffing. My honey does not like, it's not his jam. He's not a fan necessarily of stuffing, but I like it. If it has carbs, you can pretty much bet that I like it. I do. Do we do this one? Let's do this one. I think this gold is too narrow. Let's see. I could do that, I guess. Let's see. I know, see, whenever I have to concentrate, my tongue is all sticking out and trying to concentrate. It's so crazy. Let's see. I hope y'all have plans for Valentine's. We do not go out. We don't anymore. We're just really very much homebodies, but can you believe that Valentine's Day is almost here? Now I have my honey something. In fact, I'm going to show y'all. I made him something, but I don't want to do the video right now because he'll watch it, because he does watch my videos. And I know it. Isn't that wonderful? I think that's, I'm so blessed to have him in my life. And, but I did make him something, and I'll do a video, but I won't post it till after Valentine's, so you can see what I did for him. See? So there's just to show you, here are the 5. Aren't they precious? And now I have a little Easter embellishment. I don't know if I'm going to do an Easter, I don't know if I'm going to do an Easter journal. Look, I cut that corner too much. I think I have some Easter paper, maybe, but I don't know if I'm going to do one. We'll see. I kind of lean towards the no, but I mean, you never know. Maybe I'll see a video and it'll inspire me and I'll do it. My friends, you know, I watch so many different creators that they just do some beautiful things. But that's it, guys. I mean, truly, $1.25 for 50 of those tags. If you have washi, if you don't have washi, get the small stickers that you barely do anything with, right? Like these tiny stickers that come in a lot of sticker packs. We don't know what to do with them. We'll just stick them on as an embellishment. In fact, let me show you. Let me see if okay, like this, for example. You see that tiny heart right there? Watch. Let's do this. I'm just going to take it off here. Now, I always, especially the Dollar Tree stickers, I just try to put a little dab. And then let's do, and look. How adorable is that? What would you have done with it? The little tiny sticker. So now you have a use for that, right? Anyway, I think that's going to be it for this craft with me, and I do appreciate y'all coming along and hanging out with me. Thank you so much. And remember what I always say, I hope whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I have had sharing this all with you guys. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.